My name is Elaine Guthrie, and I am the Chief Administrator and Director of Enrollment for the Masters of Computer Science program at Maharishi International University. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of our campus so that you will have a better feeling for all the different facilities that we have here at MIU. Our university is located in the upper Midwest of the United States. We have a 365-acre university campus in Fairfield, Iowa, a rural setting of forests, walking trails, and lakes. Now we'll go and have a tour of the Araguero Student Center. Inside we have a 300-seat auditorium. We have 2 dining halls, a student cafe, a student lounge, and a university store. At the cafe and the dining halls, we serve fully organic, vegetarian food. Here we are at the Mclaughlin Building. This building was donated to the university many years ago when the Masters in Computer Science program first started. And we have enjoyed using this building for many years. It has the faculty offices in here and 5 classrooms for our computer science students. But we've expanded much beyond this building now, so you'll see later we have another building that is mostly for our computer science students. Here we are at Veril Hall. This is the home to our admissions office, to our career placement center, and also to our distance education office, all for the computer science students. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you as always.
So I'm very happy to introduce our Director of Computer Science, or ComPro Admissions, Melissa McDowell. She looks after all the admissions representatives that we have, make sure that you are looked after very quickly and carefully, and that all your questions are answered. So how are we doing for the August entry?
So far so good. I think we're right on track, or maybe a little above. I'm not for sure. I have to look from last entry, but we have 330 I-20s issued so far, and we have 41 visas. Nice. So we're right on track. The admissions team is working quickly and as fast as they can to get the application process.
Great. Well, good.
Going.
So the hope is to reach 140 students.
Yes.
For August. So
yes.
Hopefully we'll get there.
I think so. I think so. We have a great team, so I'm sure we will accomplish that goal.
Hi, Lane.
Hi, Jim. How are you doing?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Very good, thanks. So I'd like to introduce Jim Garrett here, who's one of the co-directors of our Career Center. And how is it going? How are the students getting their curricular practical training these days? Is everything going smoothly?
It's still very robust. Very robust. The IT market is very strong, and so we haven't had much gap in that whole exposure to the pandemic.
Okay, good. That's what I was going to ask. What happened during the pandemic and after? It's been okay?
It's been great. We actually, because we had a couple of entries not come in, we had 263 students in job search last October, and we're down, that whittled down to 30-some, so wow. That shows you how dynamic the market is. So we're back up full tilt. Students are getting, some are getting multiple offers, so we're going strong.
Nice. And how many people do you have working in the Career Center?
We have roughly between 15 and 20. And our sole purpose for all of us being here, everything we do, every email we send, every phone call we make is for the student's success, so they get their CPT practicum fulfilled, and then they move on to successful careers after they graduate.
And what is the placement rate?
98%.
98%.
I've been involved training over 3,000 in my 12 years, and we've had a 98% hiring rate over that time, and that is continuing.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay. Well, thanks again,
Thank
Jim.
you, Elaine.
And we'll see you around.
Okay.
We also have 6 very nice large classrooms currently operational, and very soon we will have 2 more classrooms in this building. So we have 5 dormitories for our computer science men. These are all single rooms in this dormitory. We've also will be expanding to other dormitories that are across campus, which will offer some double room opportunities for our students. These dormitories are fully equipped with Wi-Fi and a student lounge, an exercise room, and also a study room in each of the dormitories for the convenience of all of our students. The ladies' dormitory, or Hildebrand Hall, offers single rooms to all of our lady students. So the undergraduate students, our computer science students, MBA students, and PhD students, all the lady students reside in this dormitory. And it's very close, just across the street from the dining hall, Araguero Student Center, as well as from the computer science classrooms. So it's very convenient for our ladies. And they have a special security for the ladies during the evening time. MIU is fully committed to sustainable practices as one of America's most green universities. Renewable energy, sustainable buildings, and organic food are high priorities. We also have a 1.1 million watt solar array that provides 1/3 of MIU's electrical power. 40% of the campus's needs are met from renewable resources. We also have 2 beautiful golden domes on campus, one for the men and one for the ladies who practice an advanced version of the Transcendental Meditation program called the TM City program. So here we are at the Grace Ananda Recreation Center, which is one of the largest indoor university sports facilities in Iowa at 60,000 square feet. Inside we have tennis courts, pickleball courts, badminton courts, table tennis, basketball courts, volleyball court, indoor soccer can be played here, also a very large weight room and a dance room, as well as a 35-foot rock climbing wall, and cardio equipment and walking track, and even more than that. The soccer field, or football pitch, is located near the men's residence halls and is popular for friendly competitions between our students. Our outdoor Punj Tennis Center is a campus landmark where students learn to play tennis, enjoy friendly competition, and watch local tournaments. Thank you very much for your time. And if you'd like to learn more about the ComPro program or see more videos about the program, then please visit this link shown here. And I really look forward to meeting you here soon on campus. Thank you.